Pet pharmaceuticals bridges the gap between traditional veterinary medicine and the growing demand for natural remedies. We're developing phytopharmaceutical medicines for companion animals.
There are very few plant-based pharmaceutical products that are currently regulatory approved in pets. However, a lot of products exist as supplements which are not regulatory approved or have not gone through marketing authorization as drugs.
Our mission is to create a phytopharmaceutical that can be included in the prescribing cascades, starting here in the UK and going on to a global scale.
Plant medicine is revolutionizing healthcare, not just for humans, but for our four-legged friends too.
The quality of life of animals is becoming more and more important in today's society, and we believe that providing these plant-based solutions, the veterinarians are going to be able to support their consumers and their customers as well as the pets.
Pet wellness continues to be a booming global industry worth billions. With the sector set to grow exponentially over the next few years, investors are taking note.
The reason pet pharmaceuticals exist is because we are aware that there is a space in this market that presents challenges for pet owners seeking natural solutions.
Pets are not just fluffy companions, they're family members. We want them to live healthy, active lives for as long as possible. However, like their owners, animals too can develop chronic conditions like inflammatory pain, anxiety, and cancers like lymphoma. While exercise, diet, and veterinarian care are essential, the majority of pharmaceutical options available to pets, like NSAIDs, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, and even FDA-approved medications can cause long-term side effects, including organ damage and reduced quality of life.
We are pushing for plant-based solutions to be accepted as prescribed medicines.
Plant medicines are natural alternatives to harmful conventional pharmaceuticals, but regulatory gaps limit access to scientifically backed plant-based options despite growing demand. We're looking to change that for pet owners here in the UK, Europe, and globally.
We are looking for pharmaceutical companies to be able to accept our formulation into their drug development platforms and provide education to complement that, so therefore the public will get the results that they are seeking.
Plant-based products traditionally existed and have been used historically for various disease areas, especially in humans, not necessarily as drugs but as supplements. Several of the traditional medicines currently being used in pets have significant side effect profiles that harm the animals whilst trying to treat them. We are, however, aware that with plant-based pharmaceuticals, it's possible to achieve similar level of efficacy without the side effects.
Our phytopharmaceutical formulations, which will be specifically created based on various ailments, will complement and be an alternative to different pharmaceuticals that are used in a chronic condition. By doing so, we are improving the options for the animal's quality of life, we're improving the options for the animal's integrity, and also giving veterinarians this kind of opportunity to have a choice.
With our formulations, we're committed to creating a safe, regulated, and consistent pharmaceutical-grade product that's both safe and effective, and to make it available across the UK and Europe. Join us in transforming pet wellness and plant medicine.
We're ambitious, but we're confident in our products. We have the right commercial and management team, all with proven track records in health, wellness, pharma, and pet care. This combined will make us a global leader in veterinary phytopharmaceutical products.
We have been able to key into AI in a way to assess the evidence base that exists around all of the components of our formulations.
Once we have our clinical research completed and have veterinary medicine directorate approval, that regulatory approval will give us the option to work with pharmaceutical companies, allow them to take on this formulation, and then that leads to the veterinarians now having an alternative product within the typical prescribing cascade, which is a phytopharmaceutical.
The opportunity to invest and make a difference is here and now.